What's up, guys? This is the Warsun T7. It's got 5 different modes. As soon as the sun sets, we'll go through them. But you got a top light, strobe, 3 settings here, red and blue strobe. Sorry for the flashing. This thing is super skinny, very packable. That's it next to a Bic lighter. And it's got a very sturdy clip on it. Type-C charger, 400 lumens on high. It's got, I believe it said a 3.5, 4 hour run time if it's on high. On low you get about 6, supposedly. See how it holds up, and when it gets dark, we'll take a run through the, and see how much it lights up for us. Alright, here's the top lamp. It's like a floodlight. It's not really a spot beam. First floodlight. Second setting. That's on high. Doesn't have a really far throw to it. Probably about 25 feet, 30 feet. But it has really good flood. It's lighting up the whole radius of the area. I am very happy with this thing. For the price, it was $16 on Amazon. And yeah. There you go, guys. I don't want to blind you, so that's the flashlight on my phone, but here it is. Thanks. Have a good night.